Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workbook so project reads it correctly. Open Excel and standardize columns, task name, start date, finish date, duration, and any custom fields because mismatched headers break the import. Once done, remove merged cells and convert formulas to values. Save as XLSX. Next, plan your field mapping. Decide which Excel column maps to projects WBS, predecessors, and percent complete. This reduces errors and speeds the transfer. So take a minute now to verify consistency. You now import using Project's Import Wizard so data lands in the right places. In Project, choose File, right arrow open, and select the Excel file. The wizard asks whether to create a new map. Pick New Map if this is your first time, or reuse an existing map for consistency. Carefully map Excel columns to project fields, then preview sample rows. If dates or predecessors look wrong, stop and adjust mappings. This prevents corrupted schedules. When preview matches expectations, complete the import to populate the schedule. You finish by validating the project so the schedule behaves correctly. Scan the Gantt to confirm dates, durations, and predecessor links. Make sure constraints and calendars match your intent. If tasks show odd dates or missing links, reopen the map and correct field mappings, or convert Excel dates to a consistent format. Project is fussy about date serials. One key troubleshooting tip: if predecessors fail, ensure Excel uses Project Task ID or a consistent predecessor format. Then re-import only the corrected rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.